Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loop audio and repeat track selected number of times. So for example, we have here this one audio. If you would like to repeat this audio more times, you need to click on it. And after that, you need to go to Effect, because here we can find special options. We need to go to this option and then we need to select here Repeat. Now you need to type here number of repeats to add to your track. And you can check here new selection length of your track after change. I will type here maybe 10 times, and how you see these values have been successfully changed here. And if we click apply button, our track will be repeated 10 times. So I click apply, and how you see this effect has been successfully added to our track. So it is how you can loop your audio in Audacity and repeat it more times. If it was helpful for you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.